What is going on with this bag, Ipsy? Oh, this doesn't look good. If you want to see if I got everything I'm supposed to, stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracey. Chloe Bandit aren't with me this evening, but if you're new, welcome. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this came in the mail today from Ipsy. This is supposed to be my Glam Bag Plus / BoxyCharm by Ipsy for March. I did get quite a few add-ons and it came open, and I mean, anything could have fallen out. This is exactly how it showed up at my doorstep. I don't know, Ipsy, I think you ought to get some boxes. So I'm going to see if I got everything. Now, I quickly checked my site to see what I'm supposed to have. I may forget. If I'm missing anything, I'll definitely pop a picture up there of it. I don't think I screenshotted what I paid for the add-ons, so I'm sorry about that. But here is the bag. This is the very last Ipsy bag for their plus size that you will see, because now it's going to be BoxyCharm by Ipsy, and they have gotten rid of the bag. So there are 6 items in here, plus a Boost My Box. So I'm going to separate these out. So I just double checked my app. I'm definitely missing an item. It looks like they substituted an item, which I'm really not happy about for a couple of reasons. One, they substituted it for something I cannot use. I would not have chosen. So that really irritates me. And I think it's also like not anything. I'll get to it. Anyway, I don't know how much the other thing was, but I'm pretty sure it was probably more expensive than this product. All right, so what they chose for me was this Josie Maran Argan Pro Retinol Eye Cream. I believe this had a $42 value. And I do like this brand, so I wasn't upset about that. And I do like a retinol eye cream at night. So I'm okay with that. Like, I didn't mind this being an item they chose for me. This is 13 milliliters or 0.46 ounces, so about a ½ ounce. The next choice item is the Beauty for Real brush set. So these are the brushes. It's a real pretty set. These are the brushes, and look, I don't think it's supposed to look like that. It looks like it got bent, so there's another issue right there, which is too bad. So my 3 choice items, I chose this Tres Luce Illuminating Lip Gloss in Dazzling, and I don't feel like there was a lot of things that I wanted in this category. If I still have the screenshot, I'll pop that up so you can see what I had to choose from. And this is pretty. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's a pretty gloss, but it smells like dessert. It's like a clear with a little bit of a dazzle in there. My next choice item was the Cleanest Lab Hydrating Daily Mask and Conditioner. This is 8 fluid ounces. I do usually gravitate towards hair care items. I don't know necessarily what else was in here, but again, if I have that, I'm going to pop that up there for you so that you can see what I had to choose from. But I feel like this was something, I thought this was more of a deep conditioning hair mask. So you'll see why in a minute. Now this is phthalate-free, silicone-free, vegan formula, gluten-free. So it, you know, hopefully is a good item. All right, so I had selected a mascara. It was like the Extreme Lengthening Mascara by Dr. Laura somebody or other. What I got instead was this Vow Brow by Rowan in medium. Now, I use a blonde. I do not use a medium. A medium is typically too dark for me. So here it is. This is not a mascara. This is not a color I can really use. And it's not something I would have chosen because I have so many eyebrow things that I really didn't need another one. Never mind one in a color that is going to be too dark. Because typically I just pretty much do like up here and out here a little bit. And so this dark is going to look darker than my eyebrow and it's not going to work. So I don't know why they sent me this, but I am definitely going to complain. I'm feeling a little salty right about now. The big win in this for my $15 Boost My Box, I got the Better Than Chocolate Too Faced palette, and it did look beautiful in the picture, although I wish it was the Italian Spritz one. But this is gorgeous. It smells like chocolate. It's got some gorgeous, gorgeous colors. And look at that blue up there. That is right there. Oh, is that purple or blue? I don't know. Oh, it's purple. It's definitely a purple. And it's also very light. And it looks like it's got a little bit of a shifty action going on with a little bit of a chocolate shift to it. Ooh, that is gorgeous. Love this. Okay. Now, add-ons. It does look like I got all my add-ons. So I had added on this shampoo and conditioner. It was a set. I feel like it was maybe a $12 set because I thought this was the deep conditioning mask. I don't know. Maybe I just didn't notice. I have no idea. But then again, shampoo, I always have longer than conditioner. So if I really like this, I've got 2 conditioners. So that could work out in my favor. By KVD Beauty, I got the Good Apple Concealer Corrector in medium. And that's another thing. Sometimes they just don't have the right skin tone colors for me. I did go online to their shop and I tried to, because they don't give you a swatch, but if in the Ipsy app, but if you go to their website, you can see swatches of it. And I feel like I did that for this to try to get the best possible match for my skin tone. So there it is. Now, yeah, it's still a little darker than I would like and a little bit more orangey, but I'll see how that works in the summer, or I can mix it with a really light one, because that's definitely not right. I'm usually pretty good at picking these out. This time, not so good. I think the lighter one than this looked like it was too porcelain for my skin tone. By Fenty Beauty, I have a eye brightener. This is in Seashell. This, I think, is going to be a much better match. Actually, it might not have been that. It might have been this that I went on the website for. I might not have done it for the other one. Okay, so here is how it looks. There we go. That little drop. Oh, it's on top of the other. Oh, look at that. Okay, so there it is. If you mix those together, that's not bad. Let me try to get this. All right, so there it is without under the concealer. So for an under eye brightener, I think that's a good, again, it's right there. So I think that's a good kind of under eye. For $3.50, I got this Tarte Lash Treat. I thought, give that a try. I like the Tarte mascaras. Also for $3.50, I got these eye masks by Tony Moly because they're Minions, and I love Minions. By Pat McGrath Labs, I got the Lust Gloss in Heavy Petal. Beautiful, beautiful packaging as always. There we go. It does look like there's some separation there. Ooh, she's bright. Smells like dessert. So, a little bright for me, but I can put a neutral with this, and or something I have that's a little bit more in a brown, and that would really break down the color. By Beauty Bakery, I have the Do It for the Gram eyeshadow palette. I think this was like, I don't know, $5. I feel like I could be wrong. I don't know. I don't know that I screenshotted it. And when you do add-ons, it doesn't tell you what you paid for it. Doesn't smell like graham crackers, but look at those colors. I mean, come on. That is gorgeous. And you know, I'm all about that color right there. It looks like it's got a little shiftiness to it. Maybe not. Put it right there over top of that. I don't know, might have a little bit of a shiftiness to it. I can't really tell. And then I got another Pat McGrath Labs. I got this is a face palette. It's the Divine Blush and Glow Cheek Palette Nude Venus. So lovely packaging. There is a big mirror in here, but look at those colors. Yes, yes, yes. That one right there is the second one. And then these two right here are the last two on there. You can kind of tell by that darker one. Look at that shimmer. Ooh. Gorgeous. That is my Ipsy. Again, I got a bent item, a missing item, or an exchanged item. I don't know why I got that instead. I will be contacting them. I'm filming this. It's March 22nd. I should have gotten an answer back by the time I actually have a chance to post this. So I will let you guys know. I'll keep you informed as to what they're going to do for me. I hope they don't just give me points, because unless they start increasing what's in their points, like I never find anything. So I have all of these points just built up and built up and built up. So I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, that's my Ipsy. Please let me know your thoughts. And I had to tell you, I'm super excited about this. So you will definitely be seeing this in a future Get Ready With Me. All right, well, thanks so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.